Assalamu alaikum children. Today we introduce sound A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. A. Which sound is this? A aeroplane. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. A apple. A apple. A ant. A ant. A aeroplane. A apple. A ant. And what is the formation of a? Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Which sound is this? A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Make a car, goes up, come down, A. Make a curve, goes up, come down, A. Which sound is this? A.